Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple users to Google Chrome in Windows 10. First of all, if you notice this channel, kindly consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon so that you get notified on our latest updates. Let's get started. First step, what you need to do is go to Google Chrome and sign in with your Google account. So I will go to Google and sign in. So I have already signed in with my account. If you are not signed in, do sign in and then proceed to the next step. So the next step, what you need to do is click on the icon saying your Google account name. So click on that and you will go all the way down to add symbol. So click on add. So once you click on add, a new window opens asking for your name and choosing your logo. So I will add some sample as my name and I will click any one of the logo which I want. So I will click this one. So next what you need to do is click scroll down and as you can see there is an option called create a desktop shortcut for this profile. So you need this to be checked or unchecked, but I recommend you to be checked. That allows you to access this Google account by clicking on that. So do checking that and click add. So this is the new Chrome browser with your sample account you have added. So now you can sign in with another account and you can use multiple accounts using this method. So now I'll sign in and show you that it is working perfectly. So I'll go to google.com again and sign in with my another account. So sign in with your another account so that you can use it multiple times, at the same time. So now it is loaded. So as you can see, I have two Google Chrome with different Gmail IDs. So this is very much useful. So if you want to access Gmail, you don't need to sign out of other account. So this is the basic use of this multiple user, and there will be some history maintaining in both accounts separately. So if you want to remove people, go to settings and you have two options. So click on the account which you want to remove and remove this person, and it will ask for a confirmation. Click on remove this person. So now it is removed and it is having only one, and you can see there is no other users. So this is how you add multiple users. Thanks.